Whenever we go through with the management functions, so first of all we are planning, organizing, then conduction. Na means to say that whenever we go through with the institutional management, first of all manager is going to plan, and then managing, then organizing, staffing, and then motivating. Then on the directing, controlling, and innovating, and after that implementation things are there. So whenever we go through with the these things जो कि मैंने भी आपको चीज़ें बताई institutional management में, thing is this. First of all, we discussed about the hospital nutrition. Then we talked about the mess nutrition. Then we talked about the clinical healthcare system nutrition. Like to say that कितने patient beds हैं, उनको कितना nutritionally देखा जा रहा है. On the other side, on the other side we talk about the हमने उसके अलावा जो event nutrition है उस पर भी बात की है अभी. Sooner or later, when we discussing about the planning and management functions, we go through with the leadership skills, and when we go through with the मतलब एक one good leader make a good policy program regarding food management. First of all, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि food menus plan किए जाते हैं, then purchasing, budgeting, finances, and then food production, and after that food service is too important, and it's too important to maintain the food service and quality systems too, because here in Pakistan everybody, first of all, many people have a not more socio-economic backgrounds, and not well too, because everybody is going to take sometimes adulterated food in the events too, and sometimes because उन्होंने खुद नहीं खाना होता, they always serve in front of guests, तो वहाँ पे वो पुअर क्वालिटी का कोई ना कोई अनवांटेड फैट ऑयल भी यूज़ कर जाते हैं, और हाईली स्पाइसेस भी कर जाते हैं, क्योंकि जहाँ पे किसी ने अगर क्वालिटी फूड प्रोवाइड किया तो इट मीन्स कि इट विल कम अप विद इन योर हेल्थ केयर. एंड व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट द इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैनेजमेंट वी कंक्लूड दीज थिंग्स. आमना, आप बताएं, हमने भी क्या बात की है कि क्या इंस्टीट्यूशन में क्या क्या आता है इंस्टीट्यूशन मैनेजमेंट में?
मेन्यू प्लानिंग,
हाँ जी,
इक्विपमेंट, फूड परचेजिंग और फाइनेंसेस.
और इसमें कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूशन आ जाते हैं जिनको हम कवर करते हैं?
स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, ऑफिसेस,
हॉस्पिटल, मेडिकल केयर, हेल्थ सेंटर्स. ये तो टिप्स पे आ गया आपको ना. ओके. When we go through with the theories, जो कि मतलब वर्क डिस्टिंक्ट में देखा जाए तो many people are closely controlled and corrected some organization behaviors. Like to say that जैसे मैंने भी hostel mess and nutrition की बात की है, they are not giving the adequate nutrition to the girls hostel too. Either मतलब where we need our nutritional goals, मतलब where जब आपको पता है the girl in the age of 18 to 25 years of age, तो वहाँ पे उसको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है nutritional goals को meet करने की. But on the same side, whenever we go through with these things, we need as well as I told you before, we go through with the balanced diet, health and nutrition, and eating patterns. So food safety is too important in all that things. So वहाँ पर भी जो है वो leadership skills, if they are little bit strict, though it would be more easy to overcome their deficiency diseases, their obesity especially, and all the things. Next is the effective communication. Whenever we go through with the effective communication techniques, we go through with these things कि organizations का climate क्या है, और वो conductive facilitation कितना कर रहे हैं, how much they are encouraging in the free ideas. Like to say that if their organization are working, तो वहाँ पर अगर nutritional meals plan किए जा रहे हैं या उनको एग्जिबिट किया जाता है, लाइक टू से दैट कि फूड प्रमोशन के लिए डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स लगाए जाते हैं फूड को मतलब प्रमोट करने के लिए. लाइक टू से दैट कोई बेकरी आइटम्स हैं और अदर समवन इज स्पेशलाइज इन स्पेसिफिक फूड, तो वो उसको बताना चाहता है लोगों को कि दिस इज वन ऑफ माई आइटम एंड आई वांट टू highlight this thing. So this is very better and this is very positive for our lifestyle, institution, and even for the medical and healthcare system, because जहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा होते हैं वहाँ पे खाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो it's food is not only about to express your feelings, but it's also directly related to the communication, because I told you before, like food is for life, food is for energy, food is for me to say that you can say मतलब it's like a happy and sharing of the wonderful moments too during due to intake of good food and all that. So whenever we talk about the communication and the communication related food, so as you know, in different meetings and seminars there are ways food is at the time of taking food is one of the opportunity to interact with the people and communicate. And either we are taking food, but food choices is too much dependent at that time for yourself, that what are you taking. Then there is next is the decision making in the institution management, because as you know, every institution have different leadership backgrounds. So whenever we talk about the leadership backgrounds, they have different thinking in the decision making and all that. Whether I mean to say that either we take a you can say either we take a institutional manager or head of any organization. First of all, how much budget and what is the socio-economic values of that institution? Either it's hospital, it's hostel nutrition, it's clinical nutrition, it's the patient bed nutrition, or either it's the event nutrition. Like to say that whenever we go through with these things, first of all we go through with our budgets, our socio-economic values, and later on we go with these things. Either one person should like to say that it should be a great decision maker, because great decision makers build the generations. There are always rules and policies for the food institutional centers too. Either you can say we make it. Sometimes some people are facing consequences in the making decisions too. First of all is the define the problem, then integrate, identify alternatives. Mean to say that देखें, आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर इन द लास्ट लेक्चर कि फूड चॉइसेस बहुत डिपेंड करती हैं आपके फूड इनटेक पे, अवेलेबिलिटी पे, और उसके अलावा आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस पे, पर्सनल प्रेफरेंसेस पे. मीन टू से दैट इफ वी गो थ्रू विद द लेक्टो वेजिटेरियन डाइट and semi-vegetarian diet, non-vegetarian diet, plant-based protein sources, everybody has a different group for all that. So whenever we go through with this thing, so decision making is too important, food choices is too important, food accountability and food availability is too important in all that. As you all know, this is included in the food laws too. So finalize in the step in the final step we are taking as the important step, like to say that decision making. So decision making is too important और based on different groups. After that opinions, some areas और उसमें मतलब opinions भी ले लिए जाते हैं, acceptance gain होनी चाहिए. Then we go through with the जी हाँ तेज कर रहे हैं आवाज, ये वो ही होगा. Next is the brainstorming. Whenever we go through with the brainstorming, either it come up from the later childhood or early childhood. Whenever we go through with the brainstorming regarding diet, health, nutrition, so you know what, whenever we feel our food cravings, we go through with the think about the foods. Like to say that we think about how to choose the good food. Means to say that things like that you can say either you are thinking about some bakery items, or either the fruits and vegetables group. We have a meat group too. So this is very important, your brainstorming for food, because it's too important, because whenever you think about the food, your stomach enzymes releases and secretes an enzyme and all that. So this is so important. And after that whenever in the institutions, most important thing is to prefer the personal and independent choices, because everything is made on the personal preferences too. Means to say that for example अगर एक मतलब बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट या मतलब बीइंग अ कोई स्टूडेंट है, आइदर इट्स टीचर और स्टूडेंट, तो अगर एक रिक्वायरमेंट है उनकी कि उन्होंने ब्राउन ब्रेड में खाना सैंडविच लेना है या हेल्दी फूड लेना है, तो दे हैव क्वेरीज फॉर दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग क्वेरीज फॉर अदर थिंग्स. मीन्स टू से दैट अगर आपको हेल्दी फूड की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, इफ यू हैव कार्बोनेटेड बेवरेजेस इन योर इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड एट योर हेल्थ हॉस्पिटल्स एंड अ पाउडर्ड मिल्क टी अवेलेबल एट द ऑफिसेज एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस, so what is your preferences and healthy choices regarding that? Either you know it's a poison or it's in the healthcare. So this thing is too important. Next is the institutional management. In the institutional management we go through with the important thing is called the time management. whenever we go through with the time management means to say that first of all hospital nutrition की बात की जाए तो either those patients who are admitted and you can say they are on the, especially the pregnant females, as I told you before, they are on the bed before the time of pregnancy, and they need very balanced and proper nutritional goals to meet and achieve their nutritional needs. So whenever we talk about the things like like to the planning the time and planning the meals, so implementing and management time management is too important. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसमें भी हम मतलब टाइम इज टू इम्पोर्टेंट एंड टाइम इज एवरीथिंग एज वी ऑल नो. नेक्स्ट इज द फूड सर्विस सब सिस्टम्स, जो मैंने भी आपको बताया था, अभी भी सब सिस्टम्स का बताया ना आपको देखिए इंस्टेंटली कैसे चैप्टर 9 के लिए बताए फिर. अच्छा, फूड प्रेफरेंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेन्यू प्लानिंग में फूड प्रेफरेंसेस पे आ जाता है लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग एंड ट्रेडिशनल ईटिंग हैबिट्स. मीन टू से दैट जैसे आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर के मेडिकल फैसिलिटी कितनी अवेलेबल है, उसके बाद ट्रेडिशनल पैटर्न्स ऑफ ईटिंग, मेजर कंसिडरेशन ईटिंग हैबिट्स, डाइवर्स ईटिंग हैबिट्स आर देयर. On the other side, whenever we talk about the hospital food service, they are on the ethnic and cultural background. As I told you before, there are many growth, illness and health issues are all there. So I like to say that whenever you go through with the Chinese food, they prefer the lukewarm water in their dietary habits, and in the dietary laws they are feeling good. Either whenever we talk about the milk group, meat group, vegetable fruits group, bread and mysterious food group, first of all take milk in a good and good amount, and milk is mostly added in the coffee and tea in all over the world. Either it's in the ice creams, teas and other small carbonated beverages also made from sometimes from milk nowadays. On the other side, there are some types of malts, but they are processed and packaged. Vegetables, and whenever we talk about the vegetables and fruits, take an excellent quantity of vegetables eaten in your day. Limit use of butter. Polished rice are staple food in the dietary pattern. Whenever we talk about the rice, it's called as a carbohydrate, and whenever we take carbohydrates, जब हम उसको consume करते हैं तो it changes into the sugars. Then don't forget this thing that rice is not a totally healthy food, because it's essential and vitamin B rich, but on the same time rich in carbohydrates like potatoes. So this thing is important. हाँ जी बिल्कुल, हर चीज़ में ही अडल्ट्रेशन है.